Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you're all doing very well, and today's recipe is head meat. When I brought it home, I seasoned it with ginger and salt. Then I added lemon juice, let it marinate for a while, and washed it well. This gives it great flavor while also helping to clean it thoroughly. And here I have 1 large onion. I also have 4 garlic cloves, which I'll crush in the mortar before continuing. Now I'll place the pressure cooker on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'll add the chopped onion and the crushed garlic. I'll let the onion soak until it becomes lightly golden. Once the onion has softened, I'll add 1 small teaspoon of turmeric. Then I'll add 1 small teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Now I'll add 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and parsley. Then I'll stir everything together. Now I'll add the pieces of head meat. I'll brown them well on all sides. I want the seasoning to coat the meat evenly before turning it over. After the meat has browned, I'll add hot water. I'll pour in the hot water carefully like this. Then I'll let it cook for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. The hot water is in, so now I'll close the pressure cooker. Once the pressure valve starts spinning, I'll cook it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll turn off the heat and remove it from the stove. Then I'll remove the pressure valve and add 1 grated tomato. The tomato helps thicken the sauce while adding extra flavor. Now I'll let the meat absorb the sauce. Don't lock the pressure cooker again, just place the lid on top. Leave it uncovered under pressure so the meat can absorb the sauce. The sauce is now thick and rich, and the meat is perfectly tender. Now it's time to serve the dish. I'm serving mine with a little French fries, but you can also serve it with chickpeas. You can prepare it however you like. This is our finished head meat dish, ready to enjoy. As you can see, the meat is incredibly tender. I'll finish by garnishing it with chopped cilantro and parsley. I'll place some French fries in the center, though chickpeas work just as well. Serve it however you prefer. It turns out delicious every single time. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. See you in the next video.